Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about fourth lesson. The lesson name is chemical bonding and molecular structure. Third lesson was completed. Next, fourth lesson is chemical bonding and molecular structure. Last topic observe करो. First lesson is uh, basic concept of chemistry, and second lesson is structure of atom. Third lesson is classification of elements. Means first lesson is basic for chemistry. Second lesson onwards, chemistry was started. In this first lesson, structure of atom, we already learn about atom, electron, proton, neutron, and its position. And next, classification of elements. Classification of elements, we classify the elements based on its electronic configuration and similar valence electronic configuration of atoms shows similar properties. Yes, so clear. But here one topic is there. In the periodic table, 18th group is stable elements, noble gas elements, and these elements does not react with any other elements. In the periodic table, first group are the highest reactive elements and second group also having highest reactivity. But noble gases, 18th group elements having zero reactivity. That's why these group elements are known as zero group elements. तो यहाँ पे in this lesson we will discuss about chemical bonding, why the atoms undergoes chemical bonding, and how the molecules will be stable, and what is the structure of molecule, etc. And different theories are there, and that is also we will discuss in this lesson. First one, you know very well what is chemical bonding. The chemical bonding means in universe, except noble gases, all elements will appear in the form of molecules, compound, etc. मीन्स नोबल गैस छोड़ के बाकी सब एलिमेंट्स यूनिवर्स में अभी तक 118 है, 119 एलिमेंट्स है, ये सब फ्री फॉर्म में नहीं मिलेगा. मीन्स इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट्स. पीरियडिक टेबल में जितना एलिमेंट्स है उसमें से ओनली जीरो ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टॉन, क्सिनॉन एंड रेडॉन आर द नोबल गैस एलिमेंट्स. दीस एलिमेंट्स ओनली अपीयर्ड इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट्स, मतलब वही इंडिविजुअल एलिमेंट्स ही रहेगा. Except these 18 group elements are noble gases elements, remaining all elements does not appear as single element. Means atom form नहीं मिलेगा. Other elements or atoms will appear in the form of molecules, compound, etc. Means compulsory वो individual में रहेगा. Except noble gases, all other elements react with other elements and form in the form of compound only. Why? The other molecules means other atoms forms molecules, and how they will get stability, and etc. we are going to discuss in this lesson. Already ninth standard you learn about chemical bonding and types of chemical bonding. Chemical bonding means the attraction power, the power which is connect two atoms, that is known as chemical bonding. In the molecule, what is the power present between two atoms? Last class we discussed about in the atom, only valence shell electron can be lost and gained. So, when chemical bond will be present between two atoms, only valence shell electrons will be lost and gained. Means one atom will be lost and other atom will be gained. Means जो भी chemical reaction होगा, valency electrons only participated in the chemical reaction and in the formation of chemical bonding. So chemical bond form only. Chemical bond is one type of power of attraction between two atoms. This power will hold together these two different atoms, maybe similar atom, but atom can combine and form molecule. First of all, we will discuss about matter, how the matter will be obtained. Molecules will be combined and form compound, compound will be combined and form the matter. How the molecule will be formed? First of all, molecule, how it will be formed? By the combination of two or more atoms. A group of atom is known as molecule. How this molecule will be combined and together itself? One type of power required between the atoms and they will together itself. What is the power will be present between the atoms? The power is the electrons only. When one molecule will be obtained, then electrons will be exchanged between these two atoms. Then chemical bond will be occurred. Chemical bond means uh, chemical bond means the power which is present between two atoms, and this power can hold together this molecule. That is known as chemical bond. Here chemical bonds are different types are there. You learn about chemical bonding, covalent bonding, ionic bonding. Especially mainly in chemistry, there are two types of chemical bonds are there. One is ionic bond, second one is covalent bond. And other chemical bondings are the classification of covalent bond only. Covalent bond by different types of them. Okay, and van der Waals attraction force. The van der Waals attraction force also one of the chemical bond attraction power only, means that van der Waals attraction force and hydrogen bond. This is the attraction force present between molecule. In molecule only chemical bonding is there, that is covalent bond or ionic bond is there. Now we are going to discuss first chemical bonding. Here, according to our textbook, the matter is made up of one or more different type of elements under normal conditions. No other element exists as an independent atom in nature except noble gases. Already we discussed this. And however, a group of atoms is found to exist together as one species having characteristic properties. Such a group of atoms is called molecule. Obviously, there must be some force which hold these constituents atoms together in the molecule. Keep simple. Molecule में one type of force will be present. That force will together these two atoms, and then molecule will be obtained. The attractive force which is holds various constituents, maybe atom, maybe ion, etc., together in different chemical species is called chemical bond. Means simple definition for chemical bond, chemical bond. Chemical bond means the attraction force which is together different atoms or maybe similar atoms. That is known as chemical bond. The attraction force which is present between two different species. That species may be ion, atom, etc. That is known as chemical bond. Attraction force present between two atoms or species, ions, etc. That is known as chemical bond. And here, since the formation of a chemical compounds takes place as a result of combination of atoms of various elements in different ways, it raises many questions. So, different ways may say different type of chemical bonds form over different type of products form over. Here, one some questions are raised. That is, why do atoms combine? First question, why these atoms will be combined? Combination of atoms क्यों होने का first point. And second one is, why are only certain combinations are possible? Why do some atoms combine while certain other do not? Why do molecules possess definite shape? To answer such questions, different theories are and concepts are being proposed or discussed here. The first main question is, why atoms will combine? First question. And certain atoms only combine, other not. And another one is, and this molecule shows specific type of shapes. And why the molecule shows shapes? तो ये बॉन्डिंग फॉर्मेशन होने के लिए स्पेसिफिक एटम के साथ ही रिएक्ट होगा. नेक्स्ट, शेप ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थियरीज, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट डिस्कवर किया है. तो इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. फर्स्ट वन इज लुइस कोसेल थियरी, कोसेल लुइस थियरी. And second one is VBT theory, VBT. And third one is VBT, and third one is V valency shell electron pair repulsion, VSEPR theory, and fourth one is MOT theory, molecular orbital theory. Here, first theory will explain the chemical bonding. Here, these four theories try to explain the stability, formation of chemical bond, and structure of the molecules. Here, Louis Kosel theory, second one VBT. VBT means valency bond theory, and VSEPR theory means valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. MOT, molecular orbital theory. These theories are very, very important to discover the stability of that molecule and geometry of the molecule, etc. तो ये लेसन में पूरा 4 theories रहता है, ये 4 theories को लिंक करना. This lesson is very very important for basic of chemistry. So how atom will be formed, chemical bond with other atom, other ion, other species, etc. And what is the geometry of the molecule and how the molecule will be stable, etc. will be explained by these 4 theories only. Here, first we will discuss about Jose-Luis theory. Jose-Luis theory means here the chemical bond means अभी तक स्ट्रक्चर पे नहीं गए, स्ट्रक्चर साइड पर. फर्स्ट here chemical bond. Chemical bond means the attraction force will be present between two atoms. That attraction force is known as chemical bond. How this attraction force will be erased between atoms? Due to the electrons. So this will be explained by these 4 theories. Here first one is Jose-Luis theory. Jose-Luis theory. First theory. According to this theory, in order to explain the formation of chemical bond in terms of electrons, तो यहाँ पे chemical bond को based on electrons, this theory was explained the chemical bond in the molecules. That is, a number of atoms were made by this scientist, and but it was only in 1916 when Kosel and Lewis succeeded independently in giving a satisfactory explanation. They were the first to provide some logical explanation for valency, which was based on inertness of noble gas. तो फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में एक अट्रैक्शन फोर्स होता है. ये अट्रैक्शन फोर्स वैलेंसी शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन की वजह से क्रिएट होता है. ये लुइस कोसेल थ्योरी एक्सप्लेन किया. मींस वैलेंसी शेल में लास्ट before this we discussed about the force of attraction present between two atoms. That force was created by only valency electrons. This word is explained by this theory only. Means ये theory ये main point explain किया है in which year 1916. 1916 में लुइस कोसेल theory explain कर रहा है. एटम में वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है. ये वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की वजह से ही एटम के बीच में टू एटम्स के बीच में अट्रैक्शन फोर्स जनरेट होते हैं. वो अट्रैक्शन फोर्स की वजह से मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म होगा, मॉलिक्यूल स्टेबल रहेगा. एंड ये वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स किसके साथ कंपेयर किया? नोबल गैसेस के साथ कंपेयर किया. नोबल गैसेस हैविंग स्टेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. नोबल गैसेस का वैलेंसी शेल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के साथ कंपैरिजन किया. वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन मींस लास्ट शेल में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट होता है वो. एक्चुअली सिंपल एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं मैं. लुइस कोसेल थ्योरी कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन द electrons of valency shell. This valency shell electrons are comparison with noble gases electrons, electronic configuration. In the noble gases, the electronic configuration is ns2 np2 एक्सेप्ट np6 एक्सेप्ट हीलियम। हीलियम छोड़ के बाकी सब नोबल गैसेस कहाँ से? नियॉन, क्रिप्टॉन, xenon, radon, neon, argon, ये argon, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. These are the 18th group elements. Helium also noble gas, but its electronic configuration, valence shell electron configuration is 2 only. ns2. तो बाकी सबका क्या होगा? ns2, np6. तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन से आप कंपैरिजन करके लुईस पसल थ्योरी मॉलिक्यूल को स्टेबिलिटी को और मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्मेशन को एक्सप्लेन किया। मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थियरी every atom in the periodic table except noble gas means noble gas छोड़ के तो every atom will try to gain the electronic configuration of noble gases only means periodic table में जितना elements है सब elements नोबल गैस का वैलेंसी शेल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को गेन करने के लिए ट्राई करें। मींस वैलेंसी शेल में नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितना है यहाँ पे 2 + 6 2 + 6 that is equals to 8 means every atom try to get 8 electrons in its वैलेंसी शेल। वैलेंसी शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा तो वो सब मॉलिक्यूल स्टेबल रहेगा। तो वो स्टेबिलिटी लुईस पसल के लिए एक्सप्लेन किया। तो दैट्स व्हेन हियर Lewis pictured the atom in terms of a positively charged kernel. Kernel. Kernel means a positive ion including inner shells. That is known as kernel होता है। तो यहाँ पे ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करें। A positive ion and inner shells are known as positive kernel. For example, here one atom यहाँ पे दिख रहा है। Okay. This one is one atom having valence shell and these are the inner shells, nucleus. Nucleus, this one is outermost shell. When we remove this outermost shell, then this is known as positively charged kernel. Outermost shell when we remove, then electron will be removed from the total valence electrons. Then the shell also automatic will be removed. Then remaining part is known as positively kernel or otherwise kernel. Means nucleus including inner shells. These two are the means ये वैलेंस शेल है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल समझ लो वैलेंस शेल में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है। ये 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम लोग रिमूव किया। ये 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव करने के बाद ओनली यहाँ पे क्या दिखेगा? एक पॉजिटिव साइन न्यूक्लियस दिखेगा और 2 इनर शेल्स दिखेगा। तो इंक्लूडिंग दिस पॉजिटिव साइन मीन्स न्यूक्लियस एंड दिस 2 इनर शेल्स आर नोन एज positively charged kernel. Means in this kernel, when this positive ion get 8 electrons, then it will be more stable and it will gain the noble gas electronic configuration. Here, example variant, positively charged kernel, the nucleus plus inner electrons or inner shells are known as positively charged kernel and the outer shell that could accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons and the outer shell that could accommodate maximum 8 electrons. For example, यहाँ पे ये वैलेंस शेल है। तो ये वैलेंस शेल फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज फॉर एग्जांपल सोडियम एटम ले लो एग्जांपल। तो और क्लियर आपको कर्नल का मीनिंग समझ में आएगा। कर्नल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर। फॉर एग्जांपल sodium atomic number is 11. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Total 11 electrons are there. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 21. Here total shells are 3. First shell, second shell, third shell. This one is nucleus. This is first shell, second shell, third shell. First shell having 2 electrons, second shell having 8 electrons, 2s2, 2p6, and third shell having 3s1. तो टोटल 11 electrons हुए. Kernel means the positive ion and inner shell electrons, and in that outer shell having 8 electrons only, that is known as kernel. Here a positively charged kernel and the outer shell that could accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons. He further assumed that these 8 electrons occupy the corners of a cube which surrounded the kernel. Thus, the single outer shell electron of sodium would occupy one corner of the cube, while in the case of a noble gas, all the 8 electrons could be occupied. This octet electrons represents a particularly stable electronic arrangement. Lewis postulated that atoms achieve a stable octet when they are linked by chemical bonds. Okay, क्लियर. तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज कर्नल के बारे में समझ लो. पॉजिटिव साइन होना चाहिए, इनर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होना चाहिए. इनर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में लास्ट शेल जो भी होता है इनर शेल में, उसमें 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए, तो वो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज और कर्नल हो. एग्जाम्पल सोडियम एटम या न्यूट्रल एटम है, तो यहाँ से मैं 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव कर दिया, सोडियम में से 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हुआ. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव होगा तो क्या फॉर्म होगा, Na प्रेजेंट. Na 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव, देन Na प्लस. ओके, Na प्लस होगा तो टोटल हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर, इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज 1s2 2s2 2p6, total 10 electrons. Here how many shells are there, first shell, second shell, that's why we will remove this electron shell. तो ये 1 electron containing third shell 3s1 को remove किया. तो remove करने के बाद this ion having positive sign and in its inner shell of outermost shell having total 8 electrons. This is known as positively kernel. तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन है तो इसका वैलेंस शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं. एंड लुईस कोसेल कंपेयर दिस 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मींस आउटर शेल हैविंग 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करो 1s2 2s2 2p6, टोटल 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. दिस 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्ट बाय द 8 कॉर्नर्स ऑफ ए क्यूब. तो ऑक्टेट में, ऑक्टेट मींस 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो वैलेंस शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होगा तो मैक्सिमम molecules or atoms are stable. Means atom दूसरे atom के साथ combine होने के बाद molecule formation करने के बाद उसका वैलेंसी शेल में octet 8 electrons को octet rule बताते हैं. ऑलरेडी 9th स्टैंडर्ड में आप लोग लेंगे. Means when the atom in its valence shell having 8 electrons, that is known as octet rule. This valence shell electronic configuration represents the noble gases electronic configuration. Noble gases also having ns2 np6. Means in the periodic table every atom will be try to gain the electronic configuration of noble gases. When atom will achieve the noble gases valence shell electronic configuration, then that will be stable. Means every atom 8 electron को gain करने के लिए try करेंगे. This rule is known as octet rule. This rule is given by Lewis Coulson theory. Means the atom which is having valence shell 8 electrons, then that will be stable and it is represent the valence shell electronic configuration of noble gas. Means periodic table में every atom noble gases electron configuration gain करने के लिए try करेंगे. तो noble gases का electronic configuration कैसे gain करेंगे, by the loss of electron, by the gain of electron of valence shell only. तो ये remember करो आप लोग एक बार, chemical bond formed by only valence shell electrons only. This valence shell electron will be lost and valence shell electrons are occupied in the valence shell only. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन आएगा तो वैलेंस शेल में आएगा, अगर लॉस होगा तो वैलेंस शेल में से ही लॉस होगा. तो फाइनली इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस बाय द एक्सचेंज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन और लॉस, they will try to gain the valency electronic configuration of noble gas. octet electronic configuration को gain करेंगे. octet means valence shell में 8 electrons होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे octet means ये 8 electrons, valence shell में जो 8 electrons है, लुईस कोसेल साइंटिस्ट एक क्यूब का 8 कॉर्नर से कंपेयर किया. क्यूब में 8 कॉर्नर में 8 पार्टिकल्स होगा तो क्यूब का स्टेबिलिटी स्ट्रांग होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल This one is cube. This is a cube. This cube having 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 कॉर्नर्स। तो ये 8 कॉर्नर्स पे पार्टिकल्स होगा, तो ये 8 कॉर्नर्स को कनेक्ट करके रखेंगे, तो ये मैक्सिमम स्टेबल होगा। ठीक है, इसलिए यहाँ पे क्यूब के साथ कंपेयर किया। तो ये क्यूब में 8 कॉर्नर पे 8 पार्टिकल्स होगा, तो क्यूब का स्टेबिलिटी मैक्सिमम है। इन केस यहाँ पे एक पार्टिकल नहीं है, तो ये क्यूब क्या होता है, लूज हो जाएगा, तो टाइटली बाइंड नहीं होगा, तो स्टेबिलिटी लॉस हो जाएगा, तो इसका शेप चेंज होने के लिए चांसेस रहेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, here sodium having electron atomic number 11, तो वैलेंसी शेल में 3s1 है, तो यहाँ पे क्यूब के साथ कंपैरिजन करना ही नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है। तो ये 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव होगा, तो रिमेनिंग 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्यूब के साथ कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं। 8 कॉर्नर्स पे 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहेगा, तो स्टेबिलिटी मीन सिंपल, 8 होगा तो कॉर्नर पे ये क्यूब का स्टेबिलिटी मैक्सिमम रहेगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग क्यूब होगा। इन केस कोई भी कॉर्नर में से एक पार्टिकल को रिमूव करो, तो इसका स्ट्रेंथ स्ट्रॉन्गनेस मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ रिमूव हो जाएगा, तो कम होगा, मीन्स लो स्टेबिलिटी। 8 कॉर्नर्स पे 8 होगा तो मोर स्टेबिलिटी है। एंड finally, Lewis postulated that atoms achieve the stable octet when they are linked by the chemical bonds. Means chemical bonding में atoms participate करने के बाद उसका वैलेंसी शेल में ऑक्टेट गेन करने के लिए ट्राई करेंगे। तो आफ्टर पार्टिसिपेशन इन केमिकल बॉन्ड, द एटम विल गेट 8 electrons in its valence shell, then that will be more stable when that atom will gain octet in its valence shell. That is the information given by Lewis-Cousel theory. Here, this loss or gain of electron, two types are there. One is one type of chemical bonding. Here, one atom completely lost the electron and other atom will completely gain the electron. In some type of molecules, there is no loss, no gain, only sharing of electrons present between two atoms. Means कुछ molecule में atoms electron complete loss होता है, ये completely gain करेगा। दूसरा molecule में क्या होगा, दोनों equal sharing करेंगे। Example here, one is sodium chloride and second one is H2, Cl2, F2, etc. are the covalent molecules. H2, F2, Cl2. तो इसमें क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस गेनिंग की वजह से स्टेबिलिटी रहेगा, वैलेंस शेल में ऑक्टेट प्रेजेंट होता है। एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स does not loss electron and does not gain electron. In this molecule, the electrons are shared between two atoms equally. Means यहाँ पे जो octet gain करने के लिए two types of methods हैं. One is complete loss, complete gain, and another one is equal distribution of electrons. So two types of distribution: complete loss gain, equal distribution, and the bond is formed by the sharing of electron pair of electron between the atoms. In the process, each atom attains a stable outer octet of electrons. Lewis symbol means, तो ये two process में complete loss gain and equal distribution. In these two process, they will get octet in its valence shell and the molecule will be stable. And here another one information. So example of Lewis-Cousel theory ये है, mainly Lewis-Cousel theory explains about ionic compounds only. Ionic compound के बारे में ही Lewis-Cousel theory explain किया, means that means complete loss gain of electrons only explained by Lewis-Cousel theory, and Lewis-Cousel theory given the information about octet rule only, means valence shell having 8 electrons that will be stable. How they get 8 electrons in its valence shell? By the loss gain or equal distribution between them. And now we are going to discuss Lewis dot representation. Here Lewis symbols are Lewis dot representation. Lewis dot representation are symbols. Lewis dot representation. What is Lewis dot representation? Here, to identify the valency electrons, Lewis indicate a dot. Dot means this is a dot. Means Lewis dot representation means वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, क्योंकि हम लोग जो भी हो यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसे करना है, मैं तो बोर्ड पे रिप्रेजेंटेशन करना है, आप तो नोटबुक में पेपर में रिप्रेजेंटेशन करना है। तो रिप्रेजेंटेट करने के लिए यहाँ पे वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन, यहाँ पे हम लोग वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, बट वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट इट ऑन द बोर्ड एंड हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट इट ऑन द पेपर, so that's why he given a dot representation. This dot means valency electrons are represented by the Lewis dot representation. Only in this representation, only valency electrons are present around the atom or element. So means how to write this Lewis dot representation? First write symbol of element. तो element का symbol लिखना है and then write the valency electrons in the form of dots around the symbol. तो सिंबल का सराउंडिंग में नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है, जितना वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है उतना डॉट्स उसका सराउंडिंग में रिप्रेजेंट करना, दैट इज नोन एज लुईस डॉट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, सेकंड पीरियड एलिमेंट्स, second period elements here, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. These are the second period elements. First, write the symbol of element. We have written here the symbol of elements and represented valency electron with the dot. Dot से valence electron को representate करो. For example, lithium atomic number 3, 1s2, 2s1 means lithium having only one valency electron in its outermost shell, and 1. Beryllium having 2, boron having 3, carbon having 4, nitrogen having 5, oxygen having 6, and fluorine having 7, neon having 8 in its valency shell. Means valency shell में जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है उतना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को उसका सिंबल लिखना है, सिंबल के सराउंडिंग पे डॉट से रिप्रेजेंटेट करना. दिस इज द dot representation of Lewis dot representation. By this we can write the molecule representation also. Molecule का भी Lewis dot representation representate कर सकते हैं. This is the very important. Means ये एलिमेंट का सराउंडिंग में जितना वैलेंसी जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, डॉट इज इक्वल्स टू इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो दिस electrons are equal to valence electron. Valency means group number is equals to its valency electron. The first group, second group, 13th group, 14th group, 15, 16, 17, 18. ये representation of Lewis dot representation. And next, another one, in the periodic table, the highly electronegative halogens and highly electropositive alkali metals are separated by the noble gas here. And Lewis theory explains mainly ionic bond only. So which type of molecule forms ionic bond we will discuss next class. Means here another topic is there, fossil in relation to chemical bonding. Draw attention to following facts. Which are the following facts? Following facts means first one, 17 group elements are highly electronegative elements and first group elements are highly electropositive elements. These two elements are present between noble gases. In 17th group, then 18th group, then first group. Here 17th group is highly electronegative element and here noble gas is 0. Here highly electropositive elements. So next one. So these highly electronegative elements, positive elements will combine easily and form electrovalent bond. Electrostatic attraction force present होता है. Electrovalent bond is known as ionic bond. This will be explained by Lewis-Capsule theory. According to this Lewis-Capsule theory, there are some important points are there. We will discuss in next class and write the Lewis dot representation of molecules. This is the very important. Write the Lewis dot representation of मॉलिक्यूल, एटम का तो इजी लिख सकते हैं, वैलेंसी शेल में जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वहां पर रिप्रेजेंटेट कर सकते हैं, बट मॉलिक्यूल होगा तो वहां पे बाई मॉलिकुलर, ट्राई मॉलिकुलर, टेट्रा मॉलिकुलर, पॉली मॉलिकुलर, एटमिक मॉलिकुलर होते हैं। पॉली एटमिक मॉलिकुलर मीन्स एक एटम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल example is H2SO4, H2CO3, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid. How to write the Lewis dot representation of that type of molecules we will discuss another class.